So I recommend stepping. You're going to take the hair, hold with light tension, not super tight. And you're literally, and this is why I like these, I'm going to come in 1/4 of an inch and then come down 1/4 of an inch and step it down. Nice and slow. Now, if you want to see what you do when you work, hold on to the hair that you just cut. You can see it on there, but especially razor work, you can see it on the hair that you're about to drop. That teaches you and shows you what the design line is. Okay? So now, she has that texture in there. So you can create steps anywhere. 1/4 of an inch, slide down 1/2 an inch. 1/4 of it, you can make them big, short, tight together, or not. And then she has texture all in her hair that you can see.